Easy on the beat, boy.
What's going on, everyone? Emia Hilson here. Back-to-back streams today for earnings report. I'll be covering Tattooed Chef this time around. Plant-based food company making frozen foods, snacks, whatever you can say, whatever it is, okay? And basically, really making plant-based food and all. Nice company that we have here, and we're going to take a look at the quarterly results happening soon. I'm guessing it should come out fairly soon, and it's coming out at 1:30, the conference call, but the report should happen fairly soon. In probably the next few minutes it would release. If you are a shareholder, let me know why you invested into this company, what made you invest into this company, and all that. That's really about it. Yeah. Here we go. So today, what's the price like? Down about 3%. Well, the entire market is down like a few percent as well. You look at all the positions I have, the companies I'm following, all of them are almost down. Holy, look at that. Oh my gosh, my Galaxy stock went down 13% today. Woo! Huge inflation numbers right there. It's real, man. It's no longer temporary or whatever they say. It's for real. And you can see it all across red right here on my watch list. Tesla's up 4%. Ooh. Only Tesla's making it. Everyone else is kind of down. If you're down, yeah. That's what most of the market is today. If you're down, you're in the normal. Massive, massive, massive sell-off. Oh my goodness. We'll see if it continues on, honestly. Tesla director Kimball must sell nearly 110 million in stock. Huge. Everything's dropping. But let's take a look at the earnings report, whatever we have available to us. Now, they're expected to make about $64 million of revenue. I think that's probably in line with expectations in a way. You know, last quarter they did about 50 million in a way. So it was kind of a miss. Let me double check. Last quarter, how much they made? 50 million. So you're talking about a quarter growth of about 20%, right? 40% is actually a huge number, but when you have 64 million, yeah, I think they'll be able to meet analyst expectations. Even if they don't, we'll see what happens then. We'll see what kind of progressions they made towards the business. Yeah. I'm going to do this again. So yeah, that's really about it. I think they have what it takes to really beat analyst expectations. You know, it's a huge number in a way, 64 million. But, you know, this is a growth company, right? It's not going to really slow down in terms of revenue. At least you don't hope so. That's what it is. That's what you invested in this company for, not for its slowdown. Shall wait. Where's all the people today? It's weird. Usually for streams I have like a few people joining in at least, right? Not today. Nobody joined in. Whoever should join in first should get like a prize or something. All right, Rivian. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at Bloomberg opinion. What did they say about Rivian today? Rivian's pretty big. Rivian's valuation math goes something like this. Goes something like what? 100,000 Amazon vans equals 100 billion. Okay, that's it. That's the math. Amazon's endorsement of Rivian products ensured that competing delivery companies would think about Rivian for the fans. Right. Of course, Amazon made sure it would get its vans before anyone else could, and as part of its agreement, it has the right to buy all the vans Rivian produces for up to 6 years. Holy. Rivian. That's just huge. Yeah, that's the latest news coming out of Rivian today. They just listed on the report in a way, so we shall see what's going on. But while we wait for this report, what else did I look at? I'm looking at This post by Bloomberg Opinion. With Rivian unlikely to be able to meet market demand for years, it will have billions of dollars in annual revenue with an order that stretches from back half of last year. Over time, the trucks and SUVs could win over EV buyers as well, an area of the market that Tesla hasn't succeeded yet. But damn, that's expensive. $100 billion market cap right off. Whew. What's going on, everyone? Come on. I probably need to do a better job of getting people on. I don't know why. Did I do third quarter earnings report? I don't know. We'll see. Third quarter. Where's the numbers? 64 million. That's the magic number. If not, has to come close. It has to be at least 55 million. That's what it is. Wow. Lowest. There was only 2 estimates. So lowest for me, they have to hit is 55. That's 10% growth year to year, quarter to quarter. Denise, they rescheduled the earnings report date. Oh, thanks for letting me know, Denise. Where's the news about that? Oh, wow. When did they do this? Announced it will reschedule, previously scheduled. The result is a additional time required to finalize the documents. Okay. All right then. Thanks a lot, Denise. Thank you very much for joining in as well. Is there any other companies that you're interested in? That's why I'm curious. Because I might switch my earnings report to that instead, honestly. That's before the call. Let's just look at earnings whisper. After the close today. SoFi. Ooh, which one am I invested in? Beyond Meat! Let's look at Beyond Meat then. Beyond Meat. We're switching to Beyond Meat, bro. Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat investors. Let's go. What'd you say? They said they saw Beyond Meat and said nope. Wow, that is sketch. Really? Okay. I did not know that. You guys let me know. Let's go to Beyond Meat right now, honestly. What the? I need to change my video thumbnail and everything. I was prepared to launch this. Let's take a look at Beyond Meat then. Okay, no tattooed chef, but Beyond Meat. What is Beyond Meat expected to make? I don't invest in Beyond Meat, but I invest in 2 other companies that's plant-based. That's Very Good Food. Oh my goodness. Very Good Food Company and Tattooed Chef. What is going on today? Yo, what is going on? Somebody let me know. Okay, Beyond Meat expected to make about $109 million. Obviously, they did some warnings prior to the quarter release that revenue is going to be down 40 cents on average profit loss. Okay, how did they do? But first, let me change up thumbnail. Ugh, this is just sad. Really looking forward to it, honestly. But stay around. We'll do some Beyond Meat stuff. But yeah, let me know what other companies you're invested in. I'd love to know. What is sketch? They probably saw Beyond Meat numbers and go like, nope, I'm out of here. You guys are terrible. Let's not release our terrible results. Is that right? Woo! That's huge. Let's drop as well. Beyond Meat though. So we were here for what's that called? Tattooed Chef. But nope, we're going to Beyond Meat now. All right. That's how I do it, guys. Thanks a lot for letting me know. And let me know in the comment section below why you're invested in plant-based food companies and which one you are invested in. That's what I want to know. Oh, okay, Beyond Meat earnings. Let's take a look at that. Beyond Meat. That's the earnings report, is that right? I like that. Okay. So I'm gonna do coverage on it. I'm just changing the thumbnail, guys. So just give me a second. Just really trying to change the thumbnail and everything else. But keep the conversation going. Love to hear about it, honestly. Whatever you guys have to say, I'm listening. I am really listening. Okay, that's perfect. I like this. This is a nice picture. Holy. Thank you for staying calm and not panicking and not rushing me because I am trying to remake the logo in a way. Beyond Meat. Live earnings report. Earnings report. I can't imagine being invested in Beyond Meat when I bought in at all-time highs. That is not good for my portfolio. But luckily, I didn't buy it. That's what it is. Beyond Meat earnings report. Sweet. And then also probably have a live button in a way. Live streaming. Where is it? There we go. Live streaming. There we go. It's perfect. This one looks good. I like this. Beyond Meat. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And now change it up. Title. There we go. Looking fabulous. All right, we're moving on to Beyond Meat. Wow, Beyond Meat's dropping like a bomb right there. Plant-based food fan. Discuss. Share all your thoughts and opinions. Now, how did they actually do? Did they actually meet analyst expectations, or what the frick is going on? I'm actually not disappointed that they didn't release it today. It doesn't really matter to me in a way. Right, it doesn't really matter to me because today and tomorrow the results doesn't change anything. It's just today I was quite free, that's why. Oh my goodness. Okay, where's the music? Sorry about that, just let me quickly finish this up. There we go. Oh my freaking gosh. Whatever, I posted it. Alright, we're gonna actually take a look at it now. Quarterly numbers. And I'm just gonna actually highlight it for you guys so it's much easier. Holy shoot. There we go. Increased 13% year over year to $106 million. Okay, what's analyst expectations? 109. Okay, lowest on the lower end, 106. So this now. Okay, there was a big drop in revenue though, right? They announced it as well prior to the quarter. Okay, international revenue increased 143% year over year, offset by decreased US net revenue. Beyond Meat president and Ethan Brown commented, third quarter reflects variability as we saw a decline from revenue just a year ago. Okay, the disruptions remain focused on building our long-term growth. Okay, we're not scaling products for quick-serve restaurants partners, bringing new products to retail markets, or investing in innovation. Here in America, Europe, and China, we believe we are steadily executing our vision of being tomorrow's global protein company. That's what we've always been, honestly, right? We try to make food available for everyone. But yeah, look at this big drop off. That's huge, 12%. Oh my goodness. Ethan Brown added, near-term market and operating conditions notwithstanding, we remain committed to our long-term strategy. When is conference call? Yeah, so as compared to prior guidance, so this prior guidance, right, was between 120 to 140 million, right? So that's like a 10% drop. So where's management when they can talk about it? Where is earnings? Scheduled for Wednesday after market close at 2 o'clock p.m. Got it, 2 o'clock. Near-term market and operating conditions notwithstanding, remain committed to a long-term strategy. Ouch, man. That hurts a lot. Oh my goodness, 12%. What was the IPO price? I think it was $70-something, wasn't it? They probably rechanged the name or something. The lowest it's ever been was March, $66. Alright. People are like, oh, I'm gonna be sick. Oh, this is terrible results or something. It's... well, we'll see about that, honestly. So 2 o'clock. What else? Near-term market and operations, we remain committed to a long-term strategy. Okay. As we continue to advance plant-based food through innovation and investment through domestic and global operations, the consumer is only being made more aware of the relevance and urgency of our mission. And although we see continued uncertainty for balance of this year. We look forward to 22, the next year, with enthusiasm, as we expect to bring to life together with our strategy partners. Okay, not so you see some optimistic growth. Sure. So what's going on? Next quarter revenues increased 12% compared to 94 million a year ago, but obviously there was expected 120 million to 140 million. Growth in revenues was decreased. Growth in net revenues was due to increased sales to international customers, which increased about 142% compared to a year ago. That's big. International branding. Well, you have your increase in international revenues, but that's decrease. But on the other hand, you have a decrease in American revenue, which declined as a result of lower overall demand and challenges, with severe weather as a key driver, partially offset by sales from new innovation for new product introductions. Net revenue per pound of $5.34 during the third quarter was roughly the same as a year ago. Okay, and here's the print comparison from retail section. Down about 15.6% in American retail. Ouch. Food services is down as well, 7.3%. Even though restaurants are actually full sometimes. You know, it's not operating at 100% seating. But still, restaurants are full at times, and this is talking about in the summertime too. So that's something to be worrisome in a way. And then you look at revenues for international as well. Internationally, huge growth. Whoa. Yeah, this is nice right there. This is what people invest in Beyond Meat for as well. That huge international growth. But that US growth is actually quite disappointing in a way. You know, you're expecting a little bit of growth in a way, not a drop like this. Yeah. So this is how much they made for US, and this is international. Which means your US revenue makes up about more than half. More than half then of your revenue. And so this 3-month period and this is 9 months. Let's take a look at gross profit. Gross profit was 23 million, or margin about 21.6%, compared to 27%. So now, wow, this is even more scary too. The gross margin lost about 6%. Okay, that's huge. Ouch. And then your loss in the quarter is about 54 million compared to 18.5 last year. Increase was because of overall headcount, which is basically labor, mainly to support company's operations and innovations. Increased investments in marketing activities, higher professional service fees, a freight rate as well. Which means your net loss was about 54.8 million, which is a cost of about 87 cents. That is what? Is that with analyst expectations? Oh my goodness! That is worse than what analyst has predicted. 87 cents. They're losing a lot. So this is the really bad report so far. A real bad report. Not liking this. Not liking that, actually. You gotta manage your costs better, I guess. So it deserves that sell-off. Company's cash and cash equivalents was 886 million. Outstanding debt was 1.1. Fourth quarter outlook. What do they have for the remainder of the year? Okay, your operating environment continues to be affected, and its potential impact including on demand, the supply chain disruption. So, okay, you still see this problem, which is normal for a lot of companies. Assumes reasonable, right? Company acknowledges that its operating results could differ meaningfully from the expectations set below if its expectation related to COVID-19. Based on this, company is providing the following guidance for the remainder of next quarter. Ouch! Holy cow, man. Still double-digit growth. Beyond broken. Oh boy, that hurts. Beyond broken. Anyways, let's continue on. Anyone in the chat here that's invested in Beyond Meat? Seriously, what's going on right now? Are you all disappointed or like what's your reaction? Just want to know. Are you buying more, selling everything? Ouch. Okay, do you expect revenue to be about 85 to 110 million? Low end of 85 to 110. That's still down from this quarter, what they reported. So more warnings in a way. 106 million. I doubt they will make 110. That's on the really positive side, but expect it to go lower next quarter. Expectations of moderation in sales growth across all channels. As a result, the company's fourth quarter, containing 5 fewer shipping days compared to the fourth quarter, impacts associated with knock-on effects from operational challenges in the third quarter ongoing. Okay, so general problems that some companies are also having as well. So this is a huge drop in revenue. Okay, we're gonna talk more about it at the earnings call coming up in 30 minutes. And let's take a look at its balance sheet and its revenues. Cost of goods sold. Whoa, that's pretty high right there. Research, they're still putting in some good money in research to really innovate their products. This was huge as well, your general selling expenses. And that means your loss from operations is this, which is massive. Didn't expect that much, honestly. Yeah, you're losing out a lot. So in total, this net loss, ooh, compared to last year, not great, especially your net loss per share. Worse than what analysts has predicted. Somebody needs to save this company. Cash equivalents, they have a lot more cash, but their liabilities, what do they have? Okay, liabilities is not too bad here. They can easily pay it off. But the long-term debt, that's something to really think about. Not too worrisome at the moment, but somehow they need to make out some profits, right, in order to really repay that long-term debt. Let's see about cash flow. No, that's really bad. No cash flow in a way, honestly. Used a lot in your operations. Financing as well. So these are the big ones you should look at. Used in operating activities, in investment activities, and financing activities as well. Cash at the beginning of the period was this much, and at the end, that's good, isn't it? Honestly, that's good. But the thing is, they don't have much cash flow, right? They have negative cash flow because of this. Operating activities right here. Investing activities and financing, all three. Okay, gross profits. Yeah, that's down. So what exactly is happening? Net loss, we talked about that as well. So how worried should you be? On a scale of 1 to 10. 10 is like, uh oh, this is really scary, I'm getting out. 5 is like, I'm alright, it's no risk. I would say this report's more like an 8 or 7. Because this challenges, it's not only short term, right? You can probably see this as being a long term problem. So what's gonna go on? Yeah, that's massive. Drop 70% 4-quarter week outlook. So, can watch this go back to $70 in the next few weeks, a month. I won't be surprised if it goes back to $70. I really won't. And now you see how it affects the other companies like Tattoo Chef, down about 4%. Right? What's up with that, in a way? People seem to be pissed off because it's delayed. Who waits until earnings day to reschedule? Yeah. King James. Yeah, anyways, not a good report, but we'll see if there's any good things that teacher will have this, and we'll see if there's any good things that management has to say. You know, any optimistic things that will make sellers go like, all right, nothing, this is just going to be short term and not long term. Trust us, we got this handled. Wow. 2 o'clock? Conference call? Probably won't make it. Honestly. So yeah, I'll just be right back. Let's see what's going on. What do people have to say about this? Now I'm back. Should we listen to a conference call, bro? Maybe we could, but where is it? Beyond Meat conference call. Quarter results, earnings release. Where's the earnings call thing? Is there a live conference call thing what you can do? I've not. Oh, later on. Oh man. Never mind then. It doesn't work. So, anyways, Thank you for just joining in and stuff. Can't click on the conference call because it's not available. I have to call in. Sorry, not calling in. Costs me money as well. But thank you very much for watching, and hope you learned something important from